Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Dropbox account. So if you also want to create Dropbox account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Dropbox is a cloud storage service that allows the users to save and sync files online. So if you also want to create Dropbox account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Dropbox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the Dropbox application, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find two options over here, sign up and log in. If you already have the account, simply tap on the login option. After that, you'll be able to log in. Otherwise, if you want to create the account, for that, what you have to do is tap on the sign up option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can either continue with Google or you can also continue with email. If you want to continue with Google, simply tap on the option continue with Google. But if you want to continue with email, simply tap on the field of continue with email. Now after that, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Simply enter your email address. Now after you enter the email address, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sign up for your account. Over here what you have to do is enter your password, first name and last name. Simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you enter the password, what you have to do is enter your first name. Simply enter your first name in the field of first name. Now after you enter the first name, enter your last name. Now after you enter all these informations, what you have to do is tap on the option agree and sign up that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to set up your account. Simply answer the question, what will you mainly use Dropbox for? You'll be able to find the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now after that, you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Dropbox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.